Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 2034th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Welcome, YouTube fans. Welcome, OmniX. Thank you for tuning in. This video, again, the 2034th installment of these educational videos, coming at you on a Thursday night for trading, Friday, December 6th, 2019, which also happens to be the first day of OMNI Camp. I'm looking forward to it. OMNI Campers, get some rest this evening. You're going to need it. Friday's going to be a long day. Before we get involved in the topics on the board, you must know that futures trading, stock trading, ETF trading, trading real money in any vehicle is risky, has inherent risk, could be way riskier than you think. You can lose more money than you had planned on losing. So please always place stops first before you trade, and never trade without money that's sort of earmarked to be lost in case that's what happens. All right, traders, if you know the risks, let's get moving. I'm happy to say the Omni starting to turn back up to green in the E-mini S&P and the Russell, but I will tell you, it remains neutral in the rest of the indices that we follow. Dow, Tranny, NASDAQ. They're more neutral-looking Omnis, but E-mini S&P and Russell, bullish Omnis, and I'm going to go with it. Now, we've just had bearish Omnis for a few days, and the Omni started to turn. Some of them are now not bearish, but neutral, and some have gone bullish. I'm okay with that. Sounds like the whole lot is turning at once. So we will be looking to buy dips in something on Friday, Russell, NASDAQ, S&P, something like that. Number 2 on the board, Tesla. Is it flagging a short sell signal? I think it is. I'm going to show you why. Traders, I've got an OMNI Camp coming in the morning, so I want to get this video done quickly and get my butt out of here. So, with no further ado, let me show you some charts on Tesla and on the E-mini S&P, and we'll see why we've got the arrow on the board going up for these two, and why I think there's a red arrow on the board for Tesla. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, E-mini S&P daily bar chart. If you recall, we started this week off, I showed you that we were here about to test support. Let's not take a sell signal for one day and see what's going to happen, but it did break that support line, breached. But since then, we've come back above the support channel, and look, it settled right here on Thursday. You are above that support line that was breached, and we've got a green Omni. So being that we closed above the support line with a green Omni, I'm willing to start buying again. NASDAQ, same situation. You are back above that support line, but NASDAQ's even more smartly above that support line. Settling here, that's a good look right now. So, you know, some people could kind of work this into some kind of a flag if you went like this. But, you know, it doesn't include this bar. It looks like it's breaking to the upside, not the downside. I like the fact that we're back above the support. So we will not call this a flag unless somehow Friday the market breaks, and then we'll obviously call that a flag. For now, we're going to look to buy because we're back above support. Was resistance, became support now that we're above it. And we've got neutral to green Omni for NASDAQ. Then there's Tesla. Now this chart's got a lot on it, a lot of data. Let me show you why, and then I'll show you a blown up version. You see this average? Look at the carnage that generally takes place if you get below the average. Got below, stayed below, carnage, stayed below, carnage. Just continues all the way down. Then you get above it, and look at the fat rally. You get below it, more carnage. You get above it, and look at this rally. Well, let me blow this up for you now, and I'll show you where we're at, right here in that circle. That circle is this, exactly the same chart. We are below that Omni, excuse me, it's not the Omni average. We are below that average and below the bear flag. So I say red Omni on the downside pointing lower. We're below the flag. We're below that average. That usually points to movement in that direction once you get below it, or movement above once you get above it. So we are below with the red Omni and the bear flag. I say we sell short shares of Tesla on Friday. and make sure you put your stops in first. Now, Tesla trades in the open aftermarket, so you could get short this evening if you find a good spot and see if Tesla comes down on Friday during the day. Now, I've actually got an Omni set up for Tesla where I've got an exact spot where we want to get short. If you come to livewithoscar.com and catch me before the Omni Camp begins, I'll share the Tesla trade with you. That's at livewithoscar.com. So, traders, you've seen the charts. You've got my technical reasoning why. We've got the green Omni on the board for Russell and E-mini S&P, maybe NASDAQ too. And I showed you my reasoning why I think Tesla is in a sell pattern. So take a look for yourselves and see what you get. Traders, I will see you at livewithoscar.com. I'm getting out of here. Omni Campers once again. I can't wait to see you cats. I'm prepared for you. I hope you're prepared for me. Omni Camp is over the next 5 nights, 4 days, so I don't know I'll be putting out another video till at least Sunday, if not Monday. But I will be doing my analysis, and I will be keeping my eye on you cats too. Don't you worry about it, even though I will be giving undivided attention to my Omniacs. All right, I will see you soon. I'm out of here like Vladimir. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay, and believe me, I know that's not easy, but try this. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you for tuning in, traders. I will see you at my site. Have a great day on Friday. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.